Proposed Temporary Job Security Law Q&A. Forced Unpaid Leave. The government has proposed a temporary law to sustain employment. This law took effect as of 17 April 2020. One of the highlights of the proposed law is the prohibition of employee terminations for a period of 3 months with the provision of an extension of up to 6 months. Employers can now place employees on forced unpaid leave without employee consent, and employees cannot use this as a reason to resign. The government will pay employees placed on forced unpaid leave 39.24 Turkish liras for every day they are on forced unpaid leave, equating to 1,177.20 Turkish liras for 1 month. A monthly payment of 1,177.20 Turkish liras, when the minimum monthly wage is 2,943, has raised many eyebrows. This means employees on forced unpaid leave will find it difficult to sustain even a minimum standard of living. Can employers place employees on unpaid leave? Under normal conditions, the law does not allow employers to place employees on forced unpaid leave. Unpaid leave can only occur if the employee requests it and the employer approves it. In fact, employers cannot even suggest an employee takes unpaid leave. However, due to the current climate with COVID-19 affecting operations of many employers, and to try and minimize these effects as best as possible, the government has given provision to employers to place employees on unpaid leave for a period of 3 months. The government will be making a payment to those employees who have been placed on forced unpaid leave. Can employees resign because they have been placed on forced unpaid leave? Employees can resign of their own free will during this time, but they cannot show being forced on unpaid leave as a reason for resigning, meaning they will not be entitled to a severance or compensation. How will salary support be provided to employees on forced unpaid leave, and who will cover it? The salary support proposed by the government is a daily rate of 39.24 Turkish liras. The support payment will be paid for the days that are not worked. Employees who were terminated after 15 March 2020 and who were not eligible for unemployment payments will also be able to benefit from the salary support. The total salary support amount for 1 month will be 1,177.20 Turkish liras. Can an employer make an employee work whilst they are on forced unpaid leave? Employers who have employees on forced unpaid leave work during the prohibition period will face hefty fines 4 times the amount stated in labor law for each employee per month they work. Can I terminate an employee who is on unpaid leave? Employers cannot terminate employees for a period of 3 months based on the temporary law of 17 April 2020. Employers cannot terminate employees, but they can enforce unpaid leave. The only exception is in case of employee misconduct and unethical behavior. Employees can continue to resign from their positions during the 3-month prohibition but cannot use forced unpaid leave as a resignation reason.